Hello friends, meet me again, Ray Photography 27. This time I got the Mercedes-Benz 200. The year is 1982. This is W123 Mercedes-Benz. This is from Norev. This is openable diecast, so expecting we can see all the features that open in this diecast. Let's jump to the review. Let's go. Alright friends, so as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is the Mercedes-Benz from Norev. This is 1982 Mercedes-Benz 200. So this is the bottom of the box. It's licensed by Daimler. You can see the barcode in here, Mercedes-Benz 200 1982 blue. So the other side of the box is really nothing to see, just Norev logos. The top of the box also just Norev logo. So without getting any longer, let's check it out. So here it is friends, after we unbox it. So this is how it looks. Really gorgeous Mercedes-Benz model from Norev, really nice. This is the front view. This is the side view. This is the other view of the back. You can see the details for the lamps, really nice. The chrome, plate numbers, everything looks gorgeous. This is the other side view. And notice there's the antenna. It's already extended. So from the seal, you already know this is the open all diecast. Let's check it out and peel off that sticker. So here it is my friends, after we peel off the sticker for sealed the doors, the hood, the trunk. Now we can see more clearly about the openable feature. The first one is the engine bay. Engine bay is not too detailed, but it's still nice, still really nice, because there's some small details like the stickers nearby the lamp. The grill is also nice, and then we can see from the side it opens the front door and the passenger door, and the floor is made by a soft material which is nice, feels like it's expensive diecast. And you can see the wood panel accent on the dashboard, and on the back side we can see the sign for emergency stop, And we've got the soft touch again on the trunk, which is nice. Feels like the premium diecast. You can see the details for the cockpit, the 4 pedals as the Mercedes-Benz signatures for the handbrake. I suppose it's called foot brake. Alright, so yep, another features that we got is the details for the seat belt made by the cloths. It's not the hard plastic. We got some suspension in here, you can see, very nice. And also the turning features along with the steering column, which is cool. So we got the complete package in here. If you are the Mercedes-Benz collector, especially the classic, the vintage one, this is a must-have collection that you have to get in your collection, because this is really nice. It's openable, open all features. The material is die-cast. The details really nice. The suspension's working, the steering is working, everything is just gorgeous. Yeah, I'm kind of like speechless with these models. I've got it around 185 USD, 2 million rupiah in Indonesia, where I bought it. So thank you for following me for this review. I hope you enjoy it and becomes one of your reference if you are looking for this model. Stay healthy, click like if you agree this is models that worth to be collect, or click dislike if you are disappointed with this model. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the other video. Bye bye. Enjoy diecast.